A black-haired man in a dark suit with a crisp white dress shirt and striped tie sat on the left side. Cal pulled a chair out for Tori on the right side of the table opposite the mirror. She seated herself, and Cal slid her chair back toward the table before going around and taking the open seat on the other side. "Have you heard from the sheriff?" Tori asked softly as Cal sat down. She always referred to her father as the sheriff, even at home. Cal shook his head. "No, I haven't heard from him. At least not since he brought you in here. He's still out at the scene."